Looking for the best value? Before you buy any RGB PC case fans, you need to see this. These are top. In this video, I picked the best RGB PC case fans of 2026 based on performance, quality, features, and overall value. To save you hours of research, I've compared the top options, checked real user reviews, and narrowed them down to the very best picks. You'll find the latest prices and links in the description below. Subscribe for honest reviews. Now, let's get started. First up, we're checking out the Asiahorse Amici 5 GT RGB PC fans. The Amici series strikes an incredible balance between long-term durability, cooling efficiency, and modern visual flair. These fans are engineered with high-performance hydrodynamic bearing technology to reduce internal friction and ensure a much quieter, smoother user experience for gamers. Delivering 61.5 CFM of airflow and 2.0 mmH2O of pressure at 1,800 revolutions per minute, they are perfectly suited for dense heatsinks and restrictive cases. You can expect a massive 50,000-hour lifespan thanks to the closed-loop lubrication system which prevents wear over years of constant use. Noise levels are kept remarkably low, staying around 30 dB, due to integrated rubber vibration pads and a specialized 9-blade design. On the aesthetic front, the Infinity Mirror RGB layout features 24 LEDs per unit, offering 16.8 million colors that sync perfectly with MSI Mystic Light or Asus Aura. This makes them a reliable, stylish, and high-value choice for any professional or gaming setup requiring consistent, cool air throughout long sessions. Next, we have the Asiahorse Dawn Pro 120mm case fan. The Dawn Pro model represents a perfect harmony of high-speed performance and elegant convenience for today's modern PC builders. Utilizing a modular daisy-chain connection system, it clears up internal clutter, allowing your hardware to be the star of the show while simplifying maintenance significantly. Its Infinity Mirror RGB accents provide a premium, smooth light distribution that syncs effortlessly with MSI, Asus, and Gigabyte motherboards for a professional finish. The performance stats are equally impressive, with PWM speeds hitting up to 1850 revolutions per minute to produce 71 CFM of airflow and 2.6 mmH2O of static pressure. This ensures that even the hottest GPUs and CPUs remain at optimal temperatures during heavy rendering or competitive gaming. The HDB bearing keeps things remarkably quiet at 29 dBA, providing a silent environment without compromising on structural durability. Furthermore, the availability of both forward and reverse blade configurations means you can optimize your case's internal pressure while maintaining a consistent, stylish look throughout your entire rig without any visible fan frames. At number 3, the Corsair RGB PC case fans. This sophisticated cooling unit merges elite thermal management with futuristic connectivity features. Offering precise PWM control from 480 to 2,400 revolutions per minute, it pushes an impressive 63.1 CFM of air while maintaining 3.8 mmH2O of static pressure to combat heat effectively. A specialized 0 RPM mode ensures total silence during low-intensity tasks by stopping the blades entirely for a peaceful work environment. The lighting is truly exceptional, featuring 34 customizable RGB LEDs across 2 distinct zones, all managed by the innovative and robust ICUE Link system. You can even enjoy exclusive effects like time warp for mesmerizing, strobe-like visuals that appear to freeze the blades in motion. Installation is a breeze with the included smart hub and bridge connectors that link multiple units with just a single cable. Utilizing a durable magnetic dome bearing, this fan guarantees smooth, long-lasting operation with minimal friction. It is a premium choice for enthusiasts demanding both top-tier aesthetics and raw cooling power for high-end systems. Our fourth pick is the Asiahorse RGB PC case fans. The Dawn 120mm Unifan is an essential upgrade for builders who want to prioritize cable management alongside high-end performance. Its modular daisy-chain architecture is a game-changer, removing the need for excessive wires by allowing multiple fans to click together and run off one lead. The design features a breathtaking infinity mirror coupled with an ARGB system that provides vibrant, patch-free illumination across your entire chassis. It fully supports synchronization with Gigabyte RGB Fusion and other major software to create a personalized, unified glow. Internally, the hydrodynamic bearing allows for whisper-quiet operation at only 29 dBA while ensuring the motor lasts for years. These PWM-controlled fans adjust between 900 and 1850 revolutions per minute, moving 71 CFM of air to keep your components safe during intense gaming sessions. With its sleek minimalist frame and the option for reversible blades, the Dawn series offers unparalleled flexibility for airflow direction without sacrificing its beautiful, modern appearance or performance quality. And for our final pick, the Johnsbo RGB PC case fans. The Johnsbo ZB360 series stands out as a visually dominant cooling solution tailored for enthusiasts who prioritize both airflow and high-end style. It features a robust 28mm frame highlighted by a four-sided infinity mirror effect that produces deep, immersive lighting layers for a holographic feel. With 68 LEDs integrated into the frame and 27 parallel LEDs inside, it crafts a stunning light show that elevates any modern PC build. To maximize these effects, an external RGB controller is suggested for those without advanced motherboard headers, allowing for perfect synchronization with ASUS or a sync. This all-in-one design combines three separate 120mm fans into one rigid frame, significantly simplifying the mounting process with a single, unified connection for both power and RGB. Reaching speeds of 2,400 revolutions per minute, it provides intense cooling performance while keeping noise manageable across its wide operating range. Its modular plug design and 5V RGB compatibility make it a functional, elegant addition to any high-performance desktop looking for that extra visual edge. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you choose the right product, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews, smart finds, and the latest deals. Have a product you want us to review? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.